Cordless vacuums are efficient for their convenience and ease of use, making cleaning less of a chore. After thorough research, we've found 5 of the best options for you. For more details on each product, check out the links in the description below. So let's get started. The first on our list is the Electrolux Ultimate 700. The Ultimate 700 is amazing because of its lightweight and ergonomic design, making it easy to use for extended cleaning sessions and weighing less than 5 pounds. In hand, it offers a comfortable cleaning experience without causing fatigue. Additionally, it's made with recycled plastic, which is a commendable effort towards sustainability. At least 43% of its total product weight comes from recycled materials, making it an environmentally friendly choice. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its impressive runtime. On a single charge, it provides up to 50 minutes of power, which is sufficient for both quick cleanups and more thorough cleaning tasks. The PowerPro bristle nozzle, equipped with LED lights, is particularly effective in highlighting fine dust and dirt, ensuring you don't miss any spots on carpets, hardwood floors, and even in crevices. The vacuum also boasts a 5-step filtration system that traps 99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring cleaner air is filtered back into your home. This makes it an excellent choice for those concerned about air quality. In terms of versatility, the Ultimate 700 can be transformed into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning cars or hard-to-reach areas like the top of cabinets. The LED display is a handy feature, clearly showing battery levels and settings, while the charging stand keeps the vacuum and its attachments neatly organized. In summary, the Electrolux Ultimate 700 combines practicality with sustainability, offering powerful performance in a lightweight design. Its easy-to-use features and effective filtration system make it a great choice for anyone looking to keep their home clean and fresh. The second on our list is the Shark iX141. This vacuum is known for its impressive hyper-velocity suction, providing excellent cleaning performance for everyday messes and high-traffic areas. With up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard mode, it offers enough power to tackle most cleaning tasks without needing to recharge. The vacuum charges in 240 minutes, ensuring it's ready for the next cleaning session. One of the standout features is its low-profile design, which makes it perfect for cleaning under furniture and other hard-to-reach places. The vacuum can easily transform into a hand vac, providing lightweight above-floor cleaning. This versatility makes it suitable for various cleaning needs, from floors to furniture. The Shark iX141 has an XL dust cup that holds 0.34 quarts and is easy to remove and empty thanks to the Clean Touch dirt ejector. This feature simplifies maintenance and ensures that you can clean without frequent interruptions. Additionally, the LED headlights illuminate hidden debris, making sure you don't miss any spots, even in darker areas of your home. Included with this vacuum are a crevice tool and a SharkPet cordless stick vacuum, enhancing its functionality and making it easier to clean tight spaces and pet hair. Despite its powerful performance, the vacuum remains lightweight at just 6.9 pounds, which makes it easy to maneuver around the house. It operates at a noise level of 80 decibels, about as loud as a busy downtown street. In summary, the Shark iX141 combines powerful suction with practical features like a low-profile design and a removable hand vac. Its ease of use and versatility make it an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient cordless vacuum. The third on our list is the Bissell CleanView XR. The Bissell CleanView XR stands out because of its powerful motor, which is 60% more powerful than the Shark iX141. This enhanced power ensures that it tackles dirt and pet hair efficiently across various surfaces in your home. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, contributing to its mission of saving homeless pets. One of the notable features of the CleanView XR is its versatile battery life. It offers up to 40 minutes of cordless cleaning in standard mode, allowing you to clean without being tied down by a power outlet. For more intensive cleaning tasks, the Turbo mode provides up to 8 minutes of high-powered cleaning. The removable 24-volt max lithium-ion battery adds convenience, as you can easily charge it wherever needed. For pet owners, the CleanView XR's deep cleaning fur brush is a game changer. It excels at picking up pet hair from upholstery, stairs, cars, and more. Additionally, the tangle-free brush roll eliminates the hassle of removing tangled hair, making maintenance a breeze. The Smart Seal allergen system is another impressive feature, trapping dust and allergens to help you maintain a cleaner, healthier home environment. The CleanView XR also boasts 3-in-1 capabilities, transforming effortlessly from a stick vacuum to a handheld or high-reach vacuum. This versatility makes it easy to clean floors, ceilings, and everything in between. The included specialty tools, dusting brush, bristle brush, and crevice tool enhance its functionality, allowing you to tackle tight spaces and delicate surfaces with ease. In summary, the Bizzle CleanView XR is a powerful, versatile cordless vacuum that's particularly well suited for homes with pets. The fourth on our list is the Black & Decker Power Series Plus. This vacuum is impressive for its versatility and powerful performance, making it a great choice for everyday cleaning tasks. With up to 25% more pickup on the carpet and a runtime of up to 44 minutes, it handles both quick cleanups and longer cleaning sessions effectively. One of the standout features is the AutoSense technology, which automatically adjusts the suction power based on the floor type. This helps optimize runtime and ensures efficient cleaning whether you're tackling carpets or hard floors. The cyclonic filtration system is another highlight, helping to keep the filter clean and maintaining optimal vacuum performance. For pet owners or households with long hair, the anti-tangle brush bar is a game changer. It makes hair pickup and removal easy, reducing the hassle of maintaining the vacuum. Additionally, the LED floor head lights help you conveniently locate hidden dirt, ensuring a thorough cleaning. This model also offers excellent convenience features. It stands upright on its own, allowing for easy storage without needing to lean it against anything. The front-facing dustbin makes emptying quick and easy, and its design allows the vacuum to lie flat, making it simple to clean under furniture like couches and beds. Plus, it quickly converts to a hand vacuum with a crevice tool, perfect for stairs, furniture, and tight spaces. This model includes a removable 20-volt max battery, compatible with any Power Connect interchangeable cordless battery, providing flexibility and extended usage. The lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around the house, and the multi-surface angled floor head ensures effective cleaning on various surfaces, from carpets to hardwood. In summary, the Black & Decker Power Series Plus is a versatile and powerful cordless vacuum that excels in both performance and convenience. The last on our list is the Dyson V15 Detect. This vacuum is powerful and intelligent, designed for whole home deep cleaning and capable of revealing invisible dust. It boasts 100% more power than its predecessors and offers up to 60 minutes of runtime, making it perfect for extensive cleaning sessions. The power trigger feature maximizes energy efficiency by only using power where needed. One of the standout features is its intelligent adaptability. The vacuum adjusts its power based on the debris detected, ensuring optimal performance on all floor types. The LCD screen displays the total picked up particles, power mode, maintenance alerts, and remaining runtime to the second, providing a clear overview of your cleaning progress. The fluffy optic cleaner head is designed to reveal hidden dust on hard floors, while the digital motor bar cleaner head deep cleans all floor types and efficiently detangles long hair and pet hair. This model also converts into a handheld vacuum, making it versatile for cleaning cars, stairs, and upholstery. The hair screw tool is particularly effective for sucking up long hair and pet hair quickly, thanks to its anti-tangle conical brush bar. This model comes with 5 Dyson-engineered accessories, allowing you to clean high, low, and everywhere in between. Its advanced whole machine filtration system traps 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, expelling cleaner air and making it an excellent choice for those concerned about air quality. For those seeking a high-tech solution to home cleaning, the Dyson V15 Detect offers a blend of power, adaptability, and convenience. Its advanced features and intelligent design make it a standout choice for maintaining a spotless home. And that ends our list of the best cordless vacuums. We hope this guide helps you find the right one for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews like this. Until next time, take care.